What's even better than a room with a view? Well, a window with a window seat.
Well, here's the window and the view. The window seat is basically a box. Step 1 is to cut the parts from a sheet of plywood. Then glue is applied to the edges, and the ends are attached to the bottom and nailed in place. Next, the back is set in place and nailed.
Just rotate it up like this, and then one more time.
And then the front.
Toolbox. Bottom, the ends, the front, and the back.
The window seat will sit on this recessed base.
Okay,
Finally, the hinge top is dropped in place for a trial fit. The window seat will have 2 built-in end cabinets made in much the same way as the center unit. Next, the pieces are painted. The top is hinged to the base cabinet, and the 3 units are set in place. Well, now we have it all: window, view, and window seat.